Students, welcome to 154th Maths class. This is 154th Maths class. Let us have some more discussions about logarithmic differentiation. So I take one question, students. X power x. So x power x minus 2 power sin x. X power x minus 2 power sin x. Look at that question, students. Clearly this first term, it is in the form function power function. If it is function power function, to differentiate that, taking log is must. You look at that second function, students. It is though in the power we have function. Power is having function, but base is number. So it is in the form. The second term, it is in the form a power x, a power fx. You all know that very well. Differentiation of a power fx is a power fx into log a into differentiation of fx. Function power function. Base is function, power is function. Taking log is must. That second term, this can be differentiated directly or even by taking log also. I explain both the methods, students. You observe carefully. First you take this as y. So let y equals, clearly it is in the form y is equal to u minus v, y is equal to u minus v. So dy by dx is, so differentiation of y is dy by dx, differentiation of u is du by dx minus differentiation of v is dv by dx. Now let us find, to get dy by dx we need to calculate. It is required to find out du by dx and dv by dx. Now let us think of how to find du by dx. You take that u. What is u? U is x power x. U is x power x. Observe the students. Function power function. Taking log is must. If both base and powers are functions, to differentiate such functions, you need log. Without taking log, you cannot differentiate such functions. Keep that in mind, students. I go for taking log on both sides. Log u. So log u is equal to, so log of x power x. Log u is equal to log of x power x. Log m power n. Log m power n. What is log m power n? N log m. Log m power n. Log m power n is equal to n log m. That is power to pakka. I told these things in the previous classes itself, students. So you bring that power to pakka. Log u. So log u is equal to power x log x. Now you differentiate. Now this is the correct step to start our differentiation. Differentiate the students. Differentiation of log is 1 by u. Differentiation of log x. So how much is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. Log u is 1 by u. Again you differentiate u. Differentiation of u is du by dx. If it is y, if we have y, so we would have written y, it is there, we would have written dy by dx. In the place of y, here we are having u means I should write du by dx, y means I should write dy by dx. Apply UV rule. So here we have two functions in product form. If two functions are in product form, applying Eume rule is must. Apply Eume rule, students. X into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus, keep that log x as it is, log x. So differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay students, x get cancels. Send that u right side, du by dx. So du by dx is u into. Look at this students, x and x are getting cancelled. Still 1 remains. Still 1 is remaining. Keep that 1 as it is. Carry that 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x. Substitute for u. So that is du by dx is. So du by dx is u. What is u? X power x. So x power x into 1 plus log x. We completed differentiating u. That means we got du by dx, students. Still we need to find dv by dx. You find out dv by dx now. So right. So look at the students. So right, dv by dx. What is v? V is equal to 2 power sin x. What is v? V is equal to 2 power sin x. Clearly, it is in the form of a power fx. Differentiation of a power fx. How much is the differentiation of a power fx? A power fx into log a into differentiation of fx. So we have a rule, students, differentiation of a power fx, a differentiation of e power x is e power x, whereas differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a. E power x na madidre e power x, because e is a standard constant. So if this base is other than e, if this base is other than e, you should write log a. Log a has extra. Log a has extra. In the power, we don't have x. Power alli x idre, x na madre 1. We don't have x in the power. In the place of x, we have fx. Differentiating fx is a must. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದ್ರೆ x ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾಡಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ, but here we have fx, so you need to write differentiation of fx, right students? Okay, so now let us apply that rule. Now I am going to apply that rule. So write dv by dx a power fx. We have solved. I already solved this type of problems in your previous classes. So I apply the rule, students. So 2 power sin x, that is 2 power sin x into log 2. So into log 2. You look at this power, students. You look at this power. We don't have x in the power. In the place of x, we have sin x. If it is x, differentiation of x becomes 1. Need not to write that 1. So if this power is other than x, differentiating that is must, because we will get different function. x idre 1 barutte madangiralla, x bittu bere enidru madbeku yakandre bere barutte. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So we got dv by dx also. Even one thing you remember, students. So even this function could be differentiated using taking log on both sides also. You try that. If you get doubt, you send a message to me. You pass that to me, I explain. Okay. So now substitute dy by dx is therefore. So dy by dx is du by dx. Can be du by dx x power x into 1 plus log x, x power x into 1 plus log x plus, so dv by dx is, so tell me dv by dx friends, here is dv by dx, 2 power sin x, 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x, 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. Finally we got dy by dx. Let us solve one more question of the same type. Let's move on to differentiate one more simple question. Okay students, so write. Let us solve that. Sin x power x, sin x power x, sin inverse, so root x, sin inverse root x. So simple question students. Look at this. Function power function, log required. This is not the second term. This is not in the form function power function. We don't have function power function, so need not to think of log. Could be differentiated, can be differentiated directly also. That can be differentiated directly. So look at this words, let y. So let y equals, so y equals u plus v. Y is equal to u plus v. You take that u outside. Dy by dx is, so du by dx plus dv by dx. dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. For this dy by dx, the required quantities are du by dx and dv by dx. First let us find. First let's find du by dx. For that you take that u out. You take that u out. U is equal to sin x power x. U is equal to sin x power x. Clearly it is in the form function power function. So if it is function power function, you should take log. Taking log on both sides is must. So you take log students, log u. Log u is equal to log sin x power x. Log sin x power x, power to paka, log m power n. What is log m power n? N log m, right students? So differentiation of log is 1 by u. Again u is du by dx, power to paka, x into log sin x. So okay students, wait. So log u. So log u. You should not do students. One thing I would like to tell you, you should not do these things. That means differentiating left side, keeping that right side as it is. It is not correct method. If you wish to differentiate, you must differentiate both sides at a time. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಓವರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. It is not correct because we have equals. Equals means these two are equal in all respects. Whatever you wish to do for left side, same thing should be done for right side also students. Now let us start differentiating. Du log. Differentiation of log is 1 by u. Again u is du by dx. Apply UV rule. Keep the x as it is. Differentiation of log is 1 by sin x. So differentiation of log is 1 by sin x. Go inside. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Plus keep that v as it is. V means log sin x. log sin x. So you differentiate x. Differentiation of x is 1. du by dx. You write du by dx, students. So write. So du by dx. U into, bring that u this side. U into x. What is cos by sin? Cot. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Whereas cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Cot x cot x plus log sin x. Substitute for u. So what is u, students? U means sin x power x. Sin x power x cot x plus log sin x. This is du by dx. Now you go for finding. Now you find out. So dv by dx. For that you take that v out. V is sin inverse root x. So you all know this very well, students. Differentiation of sin inverse x. 1 by root 1 minus x square. How much is the differentiation of sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. If it is x, we write x square. If it is y, you should write y square. If it is z, you must write z square. If it is tan x, you should write tan square x. If it is, here we have root x, I must write root x whole square. So differentiation of v is dv by dx. Sin inverse. Differentiation of sin inverse is 1 by root of 1 minus. In the place of x, I am having root x. If it is x, we write. If it is x, we write x square. Since we have root x, I must write root x whole square. In the place of x, I am having root x, so I should write root x whole square. Root x whole square. So differentiation of sin inverse over, students, go inside. Differentiation of root x. How much is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. You should not mistake, students. This is not power. Inverse is not a power. You learned that in your functions, inverse functions chapter. So A inverse, sin inverse doesn't mean 1 by sin. Sin inverse doesn't mean 1 by sin. So that power minus 1 indicates inverse function. You should not take that as x power n, because it is not a power. It is just a representation. To represent it is inverse function, we use that power minus 1. Keep that in mind. Don't mistake it. So right. So come to this, students. So right. So square root get cancels. Write that neatly. dv by dx is 1 by 2 root x. So 2 root x, so into root 1 minus x, Now you write dy by dx. dy by dx required. Therefore, dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. Tell me du by dx, students. Sin x power x. Sin x power x into x cot x plus log sin x. X cot x plus log sin x plus dv by dx 1 by 2 root x into root 1 minus x. We got dy by dx. This is how we find. So dy by dx, whenever power functions are given, carefully practice. Otherwise, so you will mistake that in so many cases. So mistaking happens. If you don't practice well, so surely that leads to so many mistakes, misunderstandings. So let's move on to one more question, students. So right, let us go for one more question. So right, differentiate. So differentiate differentiate so root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x using logarithms. So using logarithms, this can be differentiated even without using logarithms, students. But if you use log on both sides, differentiating this becomes so easy. That is the reason why we go for log. Though it is not function power function, but applying log, if you apply log, differentiation becomes so easy, right? Look at this, students, how that your differentiation becomes easy. Solution, you take that as y equals x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 1 by 2. Why we use log? What actually the use of log? So the use of log is bringing that power to Paka. If you bring that power to Paka, so your differentiation becomes so easy. That is the reason why we go for taking log on both sides whenever the given function is in the form function power function. Now log ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪವರ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪವರ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಲಾಭ ನಮಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್. So in the previous problems carefully, right, students? Let us go for taking log on both sides. So log y is equal to log of right x minus 3 into x square plus 4 so by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 1 by 2. So we have a rule, laws of logarithms. So log ABC by DEF is equal to log A plus log B plus log C. So minus log B minus log E minus log F. Look at this laws of logarithm, students. Log A into B into C by D into E into F. Log A plus log B, so plus log C minus, what is log M by N? Log M minus log N. Keep that in mind. So right, that is minus log B minus log E minus log F. By head this. For that numerator product, you use plus. For the denominator product, you use minus, because log M by N is log M minus log M. For the denominator terms, we use minus. Keep that right. So now, first you take, look at this, students, log M power N, log M power N, N log M. First you apply log M power N formula, power to Paka formula. After that you apply that formula. So log y is equal to half into log x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So right, now you apply that formula students, right, log y. So log y is equal to, log y is equal to, log y is equal to, look at the students, log a, you take this as a into b by c. This is full, this full is one term. So we don't have product. Log a into b by c. For the numerator factors use plus, for the denominator factors use minus. In the denominator we have only one factor, only one term. In the numerator we have product of two factors. Apply the rule carefully students. Log y of into, so log x minus 3, log x minus 3 plus log x square plus 4 minus log 3x square, log 3x square plus 4x plus 5, log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now you differentiate. Now you think of differentiating, it is so easy. Now you think of differentiating, it is so dead easy students. Now I explain how to differentiate this. So right, so log, differentiation of log is 1 by y. Again y is dy by dx, 1 by 2. Differentiate log students, log x. How much is differentiation of log x? 1 by x. We don't have x. In the place of x we have x minus 3. I should not write 1 by x. Instead of that I should write 1 by x minus 3. 1 by x minus 3 into differentiation of log over, go inside. Going inside is very important. X is 1 minus differentiation of 3 is 0. Differentiation of any constant is 0. Come to second term students. So log differentiation of log is 1 by x square plus 4. 1 by x square plus 4. So differentiation of log over, going inside. So inside we have x square plus 4. Differentiation of x square. How much is differentiation of x square? 2x, x power n into x power n minus 1. 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 1. You apply x power n formula, so you get it. 2x plus 0 minus, come to this log, differentiation of log is 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into, come to this students, keep that 3 as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x into 3, 6x plus 4 as it is. Keep that 4 as it is. 4 into 1, 4 plus 5 is 0. I will not carry. I won't carry that 0 students. Write the answer neatly once. So therefore, so dy by dx is, so y by 2. So dy by dx is y by 2 into, so 1 minus 0, 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So this is dy by dx. If you wish, you can go for writing one more step students. You can write one more steps. That is dy by dx is y 1 by 2 into, what is y? We have y means root of, we have y, so root of x minus 3, x square plus 4, so by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is a 100% correct answer, students. It's for 3-mark question. Let us solve. I hope so right. So we shall discuss so remaining in the next class. So better to stop, students. Thank you. Thank you.